Okay, looks like we're back. I'm trying to get this pie to straighten up. I got it kind of rough over here in the chocolate cream part. That should be pretty smooth, whereas on top it'll be quite textured. Now I need to figure out where the dividing line is. Where does that meringue begin? Well, this one is about halfway. I think I'll do that. About like that. So that gives me an idea when I start to paint it. There. Yeah, the crust could use a little help, don't you think? Let's see here. Good old pinch and curl kind of thing. All right, there. And a little more slathering on top, and it's done for now. That's pretty quick. Quick bake pie. There. All right. So then after these things dry, and they're not yet, these I've just made are still pretty damp, but I'll put them in the kiln, like so. It's stuck. Still pretty soft. This one's kind of running out, you see, the blueberries. So I'll just set it in the kiln like so. Put a few little pieces on there that came running off, and then they're just going to sit on a saucer. So, kind of like it to curve a little bit. There. And then after it's fired, it comes out, it'll be all white. And I have to figure out how to paint the thing. And that's one thing. I have a real great little trick. There's this glaze called Snowfall. And it comes out looking poofy, kind of. Most glazes I use are just plain glazes. They're just colors, but this one gives a little more of a kind of a creamy texture to it. Then I'll have to go through my chips of colors here to figure out which brown is best for chocolate. Should it be shiny or should it be matte? Important details like that. And so then it will fire again, and I'll take it out and won't eat it. Okay.